Hi everyone, I'm Yigang. Our project is MapApp. This is a report for our project of second milestone. Our team members are Yingchao, Yigang Wang, and Dongtai. For our project outline, we built a web application to display the map of the whole version of America, which supports two major functionalities. First, if you click one point on the map, it will show the latitude and longitude value of that point and report the nearest 10 points loaded from the backend database. Second, if you draw a rectangular area on the map, it will show all the points contained in the dataset within the shaded area. For the tools, we basically use Google Maps JavaScript API to build the front end, Amazon Web Server EC2 with Tomcat to run the code, and XML HTTP requests to connect the front-end JavaScript code and the back-end Java code.
Hi, my name is Dongtai. So I'm going to introduce the key algorithms and key operation complexities in our program. So to finish the project, we're using a data structure called KD tree. It can be generated in big O n multiply log n running times, and it supports two basic queries. The first one, so the user can query the nearest 10 reference points. That's what the project asks for. Actually, it can query whatever number of, it can give you whatever number the nearest neighbor points. We use a fixed size priority queue to store and update the reference points. And for the time complexities, it takes average big O log n. And the second basic function for KD tree is that if you pass a rectangular area, it can give you the reference points in that area. This takes big O squared n plus k running time, where k is the actual number of the reference points in that area. So that's the whole backend part. Instead of the KD tree data structure, we also learned a lot of other things. For the front end, we use Google Map API, and in the JavaScript code, we make a XML HTTP post request to implement to link the front end and the back end. So to deploy or to deploy the codes, we're using Tomcat. So we have to learn the whole Tomcat servlet part. We have to set up the servlet, and we have to figure out how to debug in the Tomcat. We are using a lot of log files. So next part, Yingchao will give you the demo.
Hi, I'm Yingchao. Let me show you what we have accomplished. Here we already deployed our web application into Tomcat. Let's get access into that. And same UI, except here we add a clear button which will clear all the markers on the map. You can add a marker or shade a rectangle here. So let's place a marker here. So before we do the query, notice that this is the web app folder live in the Tomcat. Notice that there is no text file here. When we do the query, it will send a XML HTTP request to Tomcat servlet and call the Java code in here and generate a text file that can be read by JavaScript and show the 10 nearest marker around this marker you placed. Now let's do the query right now. It will show you please wait, and After the process is done, notice that there is a neighbor.txt which include 10 pointers, and you can see that there's 10 pointers here. And notice that all the marker can be clicked and show the information window here. And let's click clear to clear all the markers. You can even place the marker outside the US territory. Let's place it here and do the query. After the please wait sign is gone, you will have 10 markers, which is closest to the pointer you placed here. And for the rectangular function here, for the demo purpose, let's just shape a rectangular area around Boston University here, and do the query. After the query is done, it will show you there are 2036 markers in the box, and after you click the OK, 2000 markers will show here. Every marker is readable, has its own information inside the marker. They are all different. And hit clear button to clear all the markers again. And that's it. Thanks for watching.